What's up, guys? Welcome to the Being Beautifully Honest podcast and channel. Whichever platforms you're listening to this on, I just want to let you know I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do go ahead and subscribe to the platforms. And if you are on YouTube while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button. It's like walking into the room and hitting that light switch. We just want to go ahead and brighten up the place. And let's get into this podversation. I wanted to play the audio of a video that I recently caught on another content creator's channel, Cynthia G. And she does a lot of commentary where she discusses the dynamics of men and women, more specifically Black men and Black women, and just showing how disrespectful a lot of men have come to be on sharing their viewpoints about Black women on social media. Not just how disrespectful some of them have come in their actions, but because the actions have been there for a lot of them, but how a lot of them are just really showing who they really are on social media to other people, for other people to see. And when I see other people, I'm saying people who may not know what a lot of women have been dealing with and going through in their lives with some of these men. And the reason why I wanted to play this audio is because it reminded me so much of Martell Holt from Love and Marriage Huntsville, and really made me feel for women who have to deal with men like this because they have the attachment of having children still with this person, which Melody has 4 children. She was married to the bastard that she was with for all of those years, and he has been nothing short of disrespectful, uncaring, just trying to put her through hell because he's angry that he couldn't keep the grip and control that he had on her when they were married, and she decided that enough is enough. I'm out of this. I'm out of here. I don't need this. I don't want this. I want better for myself. I want better for my children. I want better for my life. And I'm not going to be able to get that by staying with you. And he has been extremely resentful ever since. So in playing this audio, I want you to listen to this audio and imagine that the man that is speaking is Martell and the woman that is speaking is Melody. Just imagine it. I know that it's not these two people, but just imagine that it is. And you'll get my drift by listening to it, and then I'll get back into my commentary.
So give me my daughter's shit. Fuck you. I don't give a fuck. Give me the shit.
I don't have anything of your daughter.
That's what you do. You just pick my daughter up from school.
You can leave my house.
You just pick my daughter up from school. She had my motherfucking pee.
Anthony, I'm telling you.
I'm telling you.
You don't get to show up at my house.
This is my shit. I paid for it.
You can leave.
Give me my shit.
I don't have anything of yours.
What the fuck you do?
What do I have?
You paid for those motherfucking shoes, the clothes she had on today?
She's wearing them.
Put some of your clothes on, give me my shit. You want to talk big shit about going to court over the kids? You want to play that stupid ass game because you don't understand?
Cynthia, go in the house, please.
Give me my shit.
Go in the house and close the door.
Give me my shit.
Anthony.
Ain't no Anthony. Give me my shit I paid for. Period. Point blank. I'm not.
So you're going to make me call the cops on you?
Do what you got to do. I have the right to ask for my children. Shit, we got 50-50 custody. I want my shit I paid for.
You need to leave
Give me my shit. Give me my shit.
I don't have your shit.
Damn, give me
Our
my
daughter
shit.
is wearing the clothes that you
I'm
sent her
not
back in.
joking.
I'm not either.
Okay, then I'll sit here until Eddie comes home. Then I'll beat the fuck out. You don't want to give me my shit? That's fine. I got all day. You want to start texting people big boss shit? Let's play boss then. Let's play boss. Go ahead, call your dude. You want to play boss shit? Let's play boss shit. Okay.
His car's not here.
I'm done. All right, okay.
He's at work.
You call him. It's an emergency. He needs to come handle his shit for his motherfucking woman.
For what?
Take boss shit.
No, I don't need him to handle anything for me.
Okay, then give me my shit.
So now you're gonna threaten me. You're gonna show up at my house and threaten me.
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, give me my shit. I paid for
Give
it.
you
I have
what?
a right to pay for it. When I pay for shit for my children, you don't get to take it and claim it as yours. So since you want to talk this bullshit about this motherfucker,
you sent her home in her
no, I
clothes.
didn't. I sent her to school. You went and
Okay,
picked her up.
you know that I pick her up from school on Fridays.
She was supposed to wear sandals? Because that's what they came to the hospital.
Okay.
Sandals and Crocs. Did you send them the school shit? No,
I don't remember what they got sent in last
Friday. So like I said, I want my shit. All the motherfucking Under Armour shorts that are at your house, I want my shit.
So you want Kalani's shoes?
I want all my shit. You want to talk that court bullshit, then I want all the clothes I pay for. I want all my shit.
Go upstairs, please. Just go upstairs, please. Go with Aiden, please. Here's her shoes.
My clothes, too.
I'm not going to go through the kids' clothes right now.
You give me the rest of my shit,
Anthony, are you really going to make me call the cops on you? Because you know damn well I will.
I have the right to ask for clothes I paid for, Deanne.
Okay, here you go.
You want your shit back? Like you always send me, I gotta show them the same text message, damn.
I didn't ask you for anything that...
Bullshit.
You're mad because I'm not letting him go to football this week.
No, I'm mad because you want to play this threatening
to go to school all week long. He's too hurt to be at football.
He wasn't clear to go to school.
Yes, he was.
No, he was not.
I took him to the doctor.
You took him to the doctor? You want to claim that now? Tell another lie, Danielle. When did you take him to the doctor?
I took him to the doctor on Thursday or on Friday.
After
practice.
He was not clear. He was put on concussion protocol, correct?
They said he had a concussion. They said he could go to school, but he could not practice.
I took him to Akron Children's.
Okay.
Where they specialize in children's medicine, where she said he was not supposed to be at school, and gave him the doctor's note.
I took him to Cleveland Clinic. Okay.
This shit is crazy. You start this shit because you want to run your mouth.
This shit is crazy.
You start this shit.
And this is exactly why.
I want the rest of my clothes again.
Because you're insane.
I'm tired of you trying to steal from shit that I buy and claim it as yours. Please give me the rest of my kids' belongings that I pay for.
I'm not going through their clothes right now. You need to leave my home. I've asked you repeatedly to leave. You need to get in your car and leave.
Okay, I'm suing you.
Okay.
So you can take her sandals, and I will be suing you, and I'll see you in court.
Okay. I'll see you there.
All right. I'm going to stop it right there. I hope you were able to hear that, okay? But listening to this audio, seeing this video of this man, oh my God, it just really had my blood boiling. First and foremost, I felt for the woman because I could hear in her voice that this is something that she deals with a lot, with this deranged lunatic coming to her home to demand the clothes that their child has on and the shoes, to say, give me my stuff that I paid for. Like, what is she going to do with the children's clothing but put them on the child? And to come there, and you heard him saying, you want to talk that court BS? Well, I got something for you. Give me my kids' shoes. Give me my shoes that I paid for. Do you think that's really going to make you look good in court? And this is why I wanted to play this audio and just speak to how this reminds me so much of Martell. Because if you know the situation right now, he's suing her, and she countered by seeking full custody of the children because he has done nothing but just try to drag her down. He has not been the man that he needs to be. And because he has not been the man that he needs to be, he wants to drag her through the depths of the abyss to make her miserable because he is. So he does stuff like that. He's taking her to court because he's upset about things that he can't control anymore. He can't control her. He can't control what she does with the children when it's her time to have the children, because right now they have 50-50 custody, just like this couple, not this couple, these two people, that's what I meant to say, in this video they both have joint custody. And so apparently, to me, it sounds like she's seeking full custody because he's upset. And he's saying, oh, you want to talk that court BS? Well, give me my stuff. Give me my stuff that I paid for. And it just reminded me of Martell because in the most recent episodes of Love and Marriage Huntsville, the first episode, to be more specific, he was speaking with his mom and he was talking to his mom about how he got so upset that he's having to pay more legal fees now because all he wanted was for her to agree that she wasn't going to have multiple people babysitting the children if she can't be with the kids when it's her time to have the custody because of business things that she has going on and bring the kids to him. That's not in the court agreement. And so he's just dragging this on to really just try to wear her down, break her down. Hopefully she'll give in. And she said, nah, here's my response. I'm seeking full custody of the children. And he's pissed about it. He's really pissed about it. And so I could see him rolling up to the house, getting upset with her about different things like that are so insignificant, that are so ridiculous. And when I saw some of the clips for the upcoming episodes of the season, there is a clip with Melody telling Martell to leave an event that he was not invited to. And she said, please, Martell, don't make me have to call the police to escort you out. You know, and so when you heard this woman saying, do you really want me to call the police? Because it didn't sound like that's what she wanted to do. Because trust and believe, if she wanted to do that, she already would have had them on the phone. She was trying to get them to just leave. Just leave me alone and just leave my home. But he wanted to be petty. He wanted to be ignorant. He wanted to say, give me my stuff that I paid for, which is the children's clothing. It was just really ridiculous. And so listening to it, it just really reminded me so much of Martell and the stuff that Melody had to endure and deal with. And that she's still dealing with to some extent with this man that is just so terribly unlikable. There's nothing likable about this guy whatsoever. So it really baffles me when I see people that make comments on social media in the comment section and say, I really wish that you and Melody could just get back together. What is wrong with people? And I may do a separate conversation just talking about that alone, but I digress. I really wanted you guys to just listen to that. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for listening to this commentary. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for liking and hitting that subscribe button. This is Beth, and I'm just being beautifully honest. So until the next time, I just wanted to keep it brief, beautiful, and now I'm going to say bye.